So guys, before this video starts, I want you guys to tell me down in the comment section what type of cake do you think this is, and also you might just be a lucky winner of a $200 digital phone credit if you're in Jamaica. So let me know, the first person to get the answer correctly will get a credit. So tell me the type of cake this is, and what type of cake do you think, like what did I cook up in order for it to become, just tell me what type of cake it is. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Sasha. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I know you're wondering, mommy, I feel like you have a comedy here in a while. Okay, so guys, you all might be wondering why I'm doing this video, and I feel like I owe it to you guys, as small as my channel is in subscribers. Like, I feel like I owe you guys an explanation as to why I'm being late with my uploads, you know, why I'm not been uploading often, like why I'm not showing myself up in the videos and all that jazz. So yeah, let's get this conversation on the road.
Love is in your soul, your price is higher than gold.
So yeah guys, the reason, well, I'm gonna start off like every person that uploads to YouTube, upload a video to YouTube, automatically you're a YouTuber. But normally in the YouTube society, you have to reach 1,000 subscribers and be monetized in order for you to be called a YouTuber, right? So I guess by YouTube standards, I am not an official YouTuber. But anyways, I feel like every one of us that uploads videos can't bother with this thing, you know. This is the other reason why I haven't been uploading as usual. The memory card thing, the space, I need a 32 gig memory card to upload, to record a lengthy video, because this 4 gig ain't working for me, and I have to keep deleting stuff to get more storage space and all that jazz. And yeah. So as I was saying guys, normally like in the YouTube community, you have to reach 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch time, basically being monetized to be called an official YouTuber. And yeah, I just believe once you're uploading videos to YouTube, you're automatically a YouTuber, right? But I feel like every YouTuber go through this, where you feel at some point like you either want to give up, you know, you want to quit YouTube. For one reason, it could be that as small YouTubers, we're not reaching the desired goal that we want in terms of subscribers, in terms of views, and you feel like what we're doing isn't good enough, you know, people aren't like drawn to whatever we're doing. So self-doubt and all that stuff come about. I've been here and there, the thoughts come on me, but I love what I do in terms of baking. So I feel like me loving it and having the time to record actually and uploading it, you know, it won't be an hassle. But there are times, you know, it gets a bit draining when you're not seeing like the views adding up, the subscribers adding up, you know. But I have to just keep the faith that things like this don't come easy. It's a process, you know. I have to keep self-motivating myself, praying, of course, just doing usual stuff while still, you know, doing this YouTube thing. But it isn't always easy, because sometimes you want persons to probably like do videos with your collab, but not even just other YouTubers to collab. It could be your relatives, and I don't have the persons around me to do certain things with, you know. It's just one of those things. But I would not feel like I'm about now on my video. I should wait till I'm done, Mark. So yeah guys, the main reason I've been MIA, not coming on YouTube a lot, as I'm still like a postman. Why dog always bark after postman? Yes guys, so the main reason is I've been thinking about rebranding my channel, you know. Like, I feel like I'm doing too many stuff on this channel and I just need to have one niche. It could be the reason why I'm not seeing the numbers you know, are the people coming in and actually enjoying my content and giving me feedback. Just a few persons I see commenting here and there, which I truly appreciate, like Sabrina. If I'm getting your name wrong, forgive me. Sabrina, Miss Yvonne, of course, as always on every like Jamaican YouTuber pages. When I go on their videos, she's always under there commenting, and I really appreciate that. Ali TV, you know, she has a YouTube channel, and Sabrina has a YouTube channel, so if you want to check them out, please go and check them out. They're like good content. So yeah, Sabrina, Holly, Miss Yvonne, who else again? I think Miss Cooking with Lulu Ramos, you know, I see her commenting. Everybody that comments, like, I really appreciate you. If I don't call your name, I'm so sorry about that, but I see you guys. But some days I want other people as well, like the silent viewers, to tell me what they think, if what I'm doing is like to their liking. Basically, I'm just feeling like I need to rebrand my channel. I won't change the username, but I do more contents on baking than anything else. You know, the one bag of thing now where like the makeup, doing challenges, and it just doesn't work, it seems. I thought different niches would work. I feel like when you actually find your niche, you're gonna stick to that one niche. But when you're starting off, you can branch out. You can start try different stuff, you know. You can try become makeup, become challenges if you want that, you know. Just go with the flow. But once you find what you want and you're actually serious about this YouTube thing, you'll see not all the times like a lot of content all at once works. It might work for one YouTuber, but I know it definitely doesn't seem like it works for me. But again, I'm truly grateful, I'm truly thankful for the 433 one of you at the time of this recording that is subscribed to my channel. Like, I'm truly grateful. Thank you guys. Like, I didn't even know I would reach here. I'm like halfway to 1,000, like 500 and add more math for you to reach that. And still the watch time, like, YouTube is a journey, it's a process. And yeah, I like it, you know, because they say the harder the battle, the sweeter the victory. I don't know if that's how the saying goes, but basically, like, when you reach the threshold, as they call it, or when you reach that goal of the monetization of, it's not just for the money, don't get me wrong, but when you reach the guidelines that YouTube use for you to be able to known as a official YouTuber, it feels very good, I believe. So it's a journey, it's a process which I am enjoying. At times it gets frustrating, but I love what I do, and I love what I do. So that's one of the main reasons I've been uploading much, because I've been thinking about rebranding my channel, you know, just sticking to one niche. And storage space is another thing. I need to get a memory card that's a 32 gig that I'm able to record, because right now I'm probably jumbling up all the words just because I don't want the time frame that I'm given on the memory card to run out on me. So yeah, it's not easy. So I'm gonna get a 32 gig, if God's will. The same thing me attack, space just run out on me. So let me just ace this up by saying rebranding, need better storage space, and you know, personal issues, you know, but God is in control, you know. At the end of the day, still pressing, still pushing. And yeah, those are the things that's been keeping me from uploading regularly, and just here and there just feeling unmotivated to upload videos, that, as I said before, but it's just part of the process, you know. So thank you guys for joining. As you can see, my hairstyle is different from the usual twist out, still twist out around the back. But if you want me to do it, no, I forgot I wasn't going to do a whole lot of videos that are all over the place. But if you want to know what I use, you can tell me in the comment. I want to hear from you guys, okay? Like, support the thing. So yes, I just did an updo, some curls at the front, did my eyebrows, my earrings, you know, because I lost my necklace. So it feels weird not having some type of jewelry since I'm used to my necklace, so the earring make up for it. So yeah guys, I have come to the end of this video. If it made sense, let me hear your thoughts, and thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Bye guys.